Every second near you pulls me deeper in. Quiet in the dark, all the words collide, drifting through the moment, standing by your side, always in your light. I feel the world alive, spinning through the dark, hearts in perfect time, always in your light. Hours slip away, still my soul will reach for you, night or day. Velvet skies around us, moving soft and slow. Every breath between us sets my pulse aglow. From the silence calling, nothing feels untrue. All my roads lead here tonight, back to you. Always in your light, I feel the world alive, spinning through the dark, hearts in perfect time, always in your light. Hours slip away, still my soul will reach for you, night or day. Through the night we rise, city dreams collide. Every sound, every sign, living in your eyes, always in your eyes, always in your
Aunque todo se acabe, aunque pasen 1000 años, aunque tú ya no quieras saber de mí, aunque olvides mi nombre, mi rostro, mis manos, mis besos, mi aliento, siempre viviré en ti, amor, siempre te recordaré, porque fui yo, mi bien, quien te supo querer. Estaré esperando, también adorándote por por toda la eternidad. Fuimos hechos el uno para el otro, no podemos negarlo, no. Si un día quieres volver a mi lado, aquí estaré. Aunque no te lo dije, quiero hoy confesarte que por ti conocí el amor. Con un beso tatuaste la verdad de mis días, el amor que jamás sentí. Siempre viviré en ti, amor, siempre te recordaré, porque fui yo mi bien quien te supo querer. Estaré esperando, también adorándote por toda la eternidad. Fuimos hechos el uno para el otro, no podemos negarlo, no. Si un día quieres volver a mi lado, aquí estaré. Estaré esperando, también adorándote por toda la eternidad. Fuimos hechos el uno para el otro, no podemos negarlo, no. Si un día quieres volver a mi lado, aquí estaré.
Midnight spills like silver wine. ghosts anymore. The room is quiet. The moon is quiet. I leave the dead where they belong tonight.
Walmart Express del...
I never saw you leave. Not really. You're still here. In every corner. In every silence. Like a shadow that refuses to fade. The room still breathes your memory. A ghost inside these walls with me. Your footsteps echo in the dark. A fading light, a dying spark. I close my eyes, you're standing there. A fragile trace in empty air. No matter how I try to run, you're always where I come undone. Every shadow feels like you. Every night rewrites the truth. Where your shadow stays, I can't escape the pain. Where your shadow stays, you're calling out my name. Every step I take leads me back to you. Where your shadow stays, I'm still lost in you. The silence cuts me like a blade. In every place your ghost has stayed. 1,000 pieces left behind, still tearing through my broken mind. I try to burn what we became, but every fire speaks your name. And even in the fading light, you're still the darkness in my night. Every breath still feels the same. Every heartbeat says your name. Where your shadow stays, I feel you in my veins. Where your shadow stays, nothing ever changed. Every word we said still echoes through my head. Where your shadow stays, you're the ghost I can't forget. I never said goodbye. I never let you go. Now you live in everything I know. Where your shadow stays, I'm trapped inside your light. Where your shadow stays, you haunt me every night. Even if I fall, even if I break, where your shadow stays is where I'll always stay. You never left.
El nuevo
train or two. Watch doors close in front of me with nothing I could do. I've stood outside the answer while others walked inside. Told myself it didn't matter, still felt it in my pride. No applause, no guarantee, just another night with me. So I keep the light on, even when it's dim, even when the dark starts closing in. I keep the light on, not for show, just to remind myself I'm not done yet. I've compared my road to others, lost sleep over days, scrolled through someone else's highlight, was stuck in my own place. I've thought about quitting quietly, more than I admit, but something in me won't agree to calling that it. No big speech, no dramatic stint, just waking up and trying again. So I keep the light on when the room feels small, when the mirror says you're not enough at all. I keep the light on through the dark. I don't need to win tonight, I just can't check out. Maybe progress isn't loud, maybe strength is slow, maybe showing up again is all I need to know. I keep the light on through the strain, through the quiet, through the rain. I keep the light on until I see the person I've been trying to be.
Yo soy Francisco Javier, Azote de las mujeres, me ha gustado parrandear y revolverle placeres.
Le ha gustado parrandear y revolverle placeres.
No crean que me la recargo, se los digo desde ahorita. Tengo suerte y soy carita, y eso nadie me lo quita.
Tiene suerte y es carita, y eso nadie se lo quita.
Me gustan las morenitas y una que otra oxigenada, pero que sea un monumento que aguante la desvelada.
Pero que sea un monumento que aguante la desvelada.
Puro monumentón. Bailamos, Olga. No. Tengo unas en Monterrey, en Laredo y San Antonio, pero de Guadalajara me corrieron al demonio.
Pero de Guadalajara lo corrieron al demonio.
En ese Guadalajara, Toña resultó Toñito y Luisa salió Luisito y Leandra salió Leandrito.
Y Luisa salió Luisito y Leandra salió Leandrito.
No crean que me la recargo, se los digo desde ahorita. Tengo suerte y soy carita, y eso nadie me lo quita.
Tiene suerte y es carita, y eso nadie se lo quita.
Cold rooms don't remember my name. White walls breathing silence again. I walk through hours that look the same. Every second learns how to decay. Your shadow sleeps inside my head. Not alive but never dead. I count my steps on broken light, trying not to feel tonight. Everything feels distant, even my own skin. I'm speaking without sound, I'm fading from within. I don't belong to this body, I don't belong to this place. I live between yesterday and a future with no face. I live between yesterday and a future with no face. I don't belong to your heartbeat. I don't belong to your truth. I'm just a quiet repetition of something I once knew. Distance feels safer than love. Silence feels honest enough. If I disappear in the crowd, would anyone hear it now? I don't belong to this moment. I don't belong to this time. I exist in slow motion between collapse and decline. I don't belong to forever. I don't belong to goodbye. I'm just a ghost learning slowly how to stay alive. Cold rooms, don't remember, but I do.
De los hombres, deseo de las mujeres, el más solicitado. En mi barrio se pelean, toditas las mujeres me quieren a su lado. Ando a la última moda, me visto, peino, muy bien perfumado. Mi zapato mocasín, mi traje dominguero, muy bien almidonado. Pues no. A mi paso se oyen murmullos.
Ahí va Cuco el perruco.
De mi pueblo soy el orgullo.
Ahí va Cuco el perruco.
Con mi caminar bailando.
Ahí va Cuco el perruco.
Artista y deportista.
Ahí va Cuco el perruco.
Del Madrid despidió a Hugo Sánchez por el perruco Cuco. Solo goleó al Barcelona, lo miró Maradona y llorando le gritó: eres perruco, Cuco.
Cuco, eres perruco.
Cuco, eres perruco.
Eres perruco, Cuco.
Estudios Surubusco, la empresa Televisa y la Columbia Pictures. 3 contratos millonarios querían que les firmaran por 1, 2, 3 años. Ya firmó el perruco Cuco, un Oscar se ganó y una diosa de plata. La Boderek le llamó, como no contestó, llorando le gritó: Cuco, eres perruco.
Eres perruco, Cuco.
Eres perruco, Cuco.
Cuco, eres perruco.
Cuco, eres perruco.
Eres perruco, Cuco.
Eres perruco, Cuco.